new wireless earbuds. WF-1000XM4 of Sony is the best one. It's very expensive, but it comes with a comfort design. Earbuds features all the latest technologies. But if you wait for 5 more days, you can get the next best thing. That will be Sony WF-1000XM5. Yes, Sony has confirmed the next generation wireless earbuds are dropping early next week. Sony did not officially say it's the XM5, but judging by the past releases, you can assume it will be that. From the official announcement, one thing is confirmed: the new earbuds will go all in on noise handling. After all, Sony teased the wireless buds for the silence for the sound. The last generation has industry-leading active noise cancellation. It offers superb noise cancelling in any given environment, and the tagline is in Sony seems to make some breakthrough for this. For the sound part of the tagline hints at better driver configuration. If you try the XM4, you already know it's very good in handling a wider range of sound frequencies. From the lower range to the mids to the highs, the drivers are beautifully executed. But for the XM5, reports suggest that it will feature 8.4 dynamic driver X technology. We'll get to know more about it when the buds are launched. It reports have been true. Sony is taking music listening to the next level. But the pricing also they'll take it to another next level.